In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a chart to its default settings in TradingView. If you've been experimenting with chart customizations or simply want to start fresh, resetting your chart can bring you back to square one, making it a handy feature to know. So let's walk through the process together. First, open up your web browser and navigate to TradingView's website by entering tradingview.com in your address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page for the Sign In option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, you can continue logging in with your existing details. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to open a chart that you've modified in the past. This could be any chart where you've made changes that you now want to undo. Simply go to the chart section and select the one you're looking to reset. Once the chart is open, move your cursor over to the chart area where you've made adjustments and perform a right click. A context menu should pop up. What you're going to be looking for in this menu is the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the chart customization panel. Within this panel, you'll notice a tab labeled Template. Clicking on the Template tab will provide you with various template options. Here's where you'll find the feature to reset your chart. You'll see a button labeled Apply Defaults. Click this button to initiate the reset to default settings. This action will revert the chart to its original state, undoing all the tweaks and changes you've applied up to this point. Finally, you'll need to confirm the reset by clicking OK. This confirmation step ensures that the default settings are applied, and you won't lose any unintended data during the reset. Once you click OK, your chart will be returned to its default settings, wiping away any previous customization. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to reset your TradingView chart back to its default settings. This feature is really useful for when you want a fresh start or if you've adjusted the chart to a point where you'd rather go back to the basics. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide made the process straightforward and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy trading!